What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa videong ito, manonood tayo kay Bizarre Bob na ang pamagat ay Scary Comp V1. So ito yung kauna-unahang Scary compilation ni Bizarre Bob. So make sure magsusubscribe kayo dito kay Bizarre Bob. So without further ado, let's go sa go.
In the following video, we see someone recording the inside of their house. Then, the person recording says that she hears something outside. Immediately after saying this, the following happens.
Your window. What is that, bro? Dad! Dad! Dad!
Ano yun?
I think there's something attacking Shadow. Did you hear that, bro?
Ang dilim ah.
Oh my god.
Right when she came out, she heard sirens. Not much info is given on the video, but it could be that the police were searching for someone who may have been outside her house. Of course, what are your thoughts? Kelsey Flynn was shopping for a dress as she was chosen to be a bridesmaid for an upcoming wedding. She came across a store that had a really nice dress, which is the one you see in this photo. She tried it on and sent this photo to her sister, who approved it and said that it was a really pretty dress. But she also added that there was something odd about the photo. In fact, she said that it was cursed and must be deleted. Kelsey had no idea what she was talking about until she looked at the background and noticed this. Her face in the mirror doesn't match the face she made for the photo. Kelsey was in shock and at a loss for words, which is the same reaction I and others had after seeing this. As always, what are your thoughts on this? If you've seen the movie Signs, then prepare to be triggered, because the following clip is very similar to that one scene that I'm sure everyone remembers. This photo was taken in 2010 at a Christmas concert. The parents who took it didn't notice anything odd about it until their son pointed this out in the background.
Ay,
Now that's creepy. On April 3rd at 1:10 p.m., someone received a very mysterious voicemail. The person who received it says that it was sent from France, which is weird since he lives in Canada and doesn't know anyone from there. Here's a clip of that voicemail.
You have no new messages. To listen, press 1. To you have one saved message.
Uy, naiyak.
To delete the message, press.
There's a trend happening right now on TikTok where people are recording themselves playing a game called Red Door, Yellow Door.
Katakot yun yung sa audio, yung mga ganun yung umiiyak. Mga voice message. So umiiyak yung nakakatakot eh. Kasi nakakatakot tapos nakakaawa kasi syempre hindi natin alam hindi nasa ayun nga malaki ang chance pala na nasa ano siya, danger, ano bang tawag doon? Na kailangan niya ng tulong kasi pwede siyang mapahamak. Baka kung nasa bahay man siya baka napasok siya ng magnanakaw. Yun yung nakakatakot sa ganun.
Door. And honestly, some of these videos are pretty creepy. The point of the game is to put yourself under hypnosis with the help of someone else so that you can see or visualize a room filled with doors. You can open any of these doors. However, you have to be careful to not open certain doors. If you open a door and you see a man in a suit behind it, you have to stop the game immediately. The same applies if you see an old lady or a room filled with clocks. Here's a video of someone playing this game, and it's pretty creepy to say the least.
Kitchen, and that's it, pretty much. Do you hear anything? No. Go towards the light more. Go more in the center of the kitchen? Yes. Alright, I'm in the center now. It's now it's like neon white. I'm in a totally different room now. It's all white.
all white? Is there anyone with you?
No. Wait, this dude is just all plain black, man.
Ay, ay, ay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you alive?
Yeah.
It was an all plain black man? Are you serious? Are you joking?
No.
Oh my god.
What?
He was in the game.
Ayun yung nakakatakot yan, narinig ko sa isang advice sa TikTok, ay napanood ko na wag daw maglalaro ng larong yan. Kasi yung yung nakikita daw na yun, malaki ang chance baka demonyo daw yung nagpapakita. Tsaka napakadelikado nito nga, kabataan pa yung mga naglalaro, madalas or malaki ang chance yan ng madaling lapitan ng mga entity. Yung sinasabing black man na yun, malaki ang chance baka demonyo yun.
Are you okay?
What? No.
Tapos tinanong pa kung are you still alive? Alive na tinanong kanina, balikan natin.
Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you alive?
Yeah.
Ayun no, tinanong are you alive? So malaki ang chance baka nga mamaya kung hindi niya nasampal yung kapatid niya o yung kapatid niyang yan, baka hindi nakabalik o baka pwede yung black man ang lumipat ng sumalib sa katawan ng kapatid niya.
It was an all plain. Oh my god.
What's weird about this is that it doesn't explain why you have to avoid these things. Now, you could play the game and find out for yourself, but personally I wouldn't, mainly because I just don't want to come out feeling traumatized, which is something that most people report feeling after playing this game. In the following clip,
Hindi ako maglalaro nun. Hindi ako maglalaro ng ganun. Ouija board nga Hindi ko nga tinangkang maglaro. Sa parang naginip, hindi ko pinapaglaro ng ganun. Ito pa kaya.
a TikTok user took an hallucinogenic and began to see things that really creeped her out.
Katakot ang mata
Luckily, she
nito.
was able to capture her reaction on camera.
Play a song. Play a song. Play a song. Play a song. I see you.
Ay, I see you. Baka may nakadungaw doon sa likod niyo.
I see you. You're scaring me. Why aren't you saying anything?
May nakikita siya. May third eye si
You're
ate.
scaring me.
You can tell that she was genuinely terrified. If anything, this video serves as an example of what not to do when you're under the influence of something really strong, which is to not take it by yourself, especially in a dark room. Here's a video of a strange black gooey substance that someone found at a creek.
Ano yan?
People on Twitter have likened this thing to a symbiote, or more specifically,
Kay Venom.
Venom from the Marvel Universe. In actuality, this is a type of worm known as the bootlace worm, which can produce mucus that's highly toxic to its predators. It can also grow up to 180 feet long, which by itself is pretty unsettling. An employee working graveyard shift is about to clock out until the following happened.
Nope. Boss!
On the bright side, this would be a perfect opportunity to ask for a promotion, or at least an early shift. This next video is a concept video or an idea of what the rapture might look like. Obviously, it's not real, but the video does a great job at making you feel uneasy and a little spooked. If the end of times were to actually happen though, and it looks a lot like this, then at least we can say we saw it beforehand. A photo of the moon was taken in Brazil on April 3rd. The photo is pretty spooky, as it looks very much like a menacing face. However, as if that wasn't creepy enough, someone commented that the face looks very similar to that of the one in this portrait, a portrait of the fallen angel, aka Lucifer. Doubtless, the resemblance is very uncanny. In Chihuahua, Mexico, there is a bridal shop that many tourists visit. It's not that the store has amazing dresses or phenomenal customer service, not that it doesn't have either, but rather because the store has a mannequin on display that looks way too real to be fake. Many think that the mannequin is in fact an actual body that was preserved by the store owner, well actually the previous store owner. According to legend, Pascuala Esparza, the previous store owner, had a daughter who was soon to be wed. However, on the day of her wedding, she was bitten by a black widow and passed away that same
Ay.
day.
Kawawa naman.
Days after this incident, Mrs. Esparza put a mannequin out on display that looked very similar to her daughter. In fact, way too similar. People put two and two together and concluded that it was Esparza's daughter that was out on display and not some mannequin. Although there might be evidence to prove this is otherwise, here's a photo of the hands on this mannequin that look way too real to be fake. As always, what are your thoughts? Thanks for watching.
Grabe yun, no? Kung mannequin kasi yun, alam naman natin pag mannequin, di ba? Alam kong, syempre nakakita na tayo ng mannequin kapag namimili tayo sa mga, sa mga baklaran, di ba? May mga, pag nakikita natin yung mga kamay. Doon sa videong yun, kung sakaling, tawag dito, imposibleng, para sa akin sa opinion ko lang din, na malaki ang chance baka hindi siya pure mannequin. Baka tao yun na ginawang mannequin. Kasi sa daliri yung kuko. Not unless kung magaling sa art yung gumawa nun at nagawa niyang mukhang totoo yung kuko. May mga ganun din naman kasi. So, para sa akin, nakakatakot din nga kung totoong tao yun. Siyempre, di ba, tao, ginawang mannequin, di ba? Nakakatakot yung ganun. So, yun. Subscribe kayo dito kay Bizarre Bob. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Sa shoutout ko, si Leklek, yan, pamangkin ng girlfriend ko. Si Nonoy, yan, minsan nanonood din daw sa akin eh. Saka sa iba pang subscribers ko dyan, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much sa pagsuporta. So uli, subscribe, Bizarre Bob. So maraming salamat sa pagsama sa panonood and see you in my next video and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.